This video will demonstrate the assembly process for our model number 31 drying rack and number 32 heavy duty drying rack. Assembly should take no more than 5 minutes. We have Amy helping us today, and she will assemble the number 32 heavy duty model. The assembly process is the same for both the 31 and the 32. She's already removed the parts from the box and laid them on the floor. There should be 2 side frames, 10 rubber banded dowels all alike, and 1 instruction sheet. Let's begin assembly. Amy will place 1 side frame in position. Both side frames are the same, so you can start with either one. Most importantly, note the position of the latch bar. It must be on the inside of the frame and positioned between the 2 holes Amy is pointing out. Now we're ready to insert the dowels. At this point, you can begin with any hole. Line up the tip of the dowel straight as possible with the connector holes and press firmly till the tip goes all the way in. Note the position of Amy's hands on the dowels. This makes it easier to position and insert the dowels in the connector holes. Repeat this process until all dowels are in place. If you come to a dowel that seems a little tight and can't be pressed by hand, take a hammer, a block of wood, and tap in place. Check the latch bar throughout the process, making sure it remains in the proper position. If you finish and find the latch bar has moved out of position, simply remove a dowel and put the latch bar back in place. When all dowels are inserted, position the remaining side frame over the dowel tips. Make sure the latch is in correct position inside the side frame and between the holes as previously shown. This operation can take a little time to line up all the holes. We have found starting on one side is best. Position the tip of the dowel inside connector holes in the side frame and tap lightly with hand to get started. At this point, don't drive the dowel tips all the way in. Just get them started. Continue starting the rest of the dowel tips in the holes, and when completed, take the heel of your hand, block of wood, or hammer and tap the side frame in all the way. If 1 or 2 dowels didn't line up, you can tap the underside of the frame with a hammer and raise it up enough to get the remaining tips inserted. You are now through with the assembly process and ready to begin using the dryer. Stand it up and place the latch bars in position as shown. If you need further help, contact our customer service department.